In this topic, I will show you how to write and run a simple C program in VS Code. Download the latest version of VS Code for Windows and install it on your computer. Download the MinGW compiler and install it on your C drive. Locate the bin folder of MinGW on your C drive and copy its path. Open the environment variables. In the user variables section, select path and click edit. Paste the path of bin folder. Now open command prompt window. Type gcc version to check if the compiler is installed successfully. Go to extension. Install C++ extension by Microsoft. Next, install Code Runner. Go to settings. Select clear previous output. Select run in terminal. The Code Runner executor map. Add clear and add. It will display only the output in terminal. Finally, install Material Icon theme. The basic components of your C programs are header file, function declaration, main function, and user-defined function. Include stdio.h. This includes the standard input-output library, which contain built-in functions like printf and scanf. Next, define main function. Int main open curly bracket return 0 semicolon close curly bracket. The C program contains only one main function, which is the starting point of program. The main function should always return 0 to indicate that program executed successfully. The semicolon indicates end of the statement. Printf welcome to. Whatever you type inside the double quote, it will appear in terminal window. As usual, the printf statement ends with the termination command of semicolon. Click the run button and you will see the output in terminal. The output will print welcome to. Now, I would like to call a user-defined function, function1. Since it is an user-defined function, we need to declare that function before main function as void function1 void. Now I can write user-defined function void function1 void printf ICG India. Here, void indicates that there are no input argument. Another void indicates that the function does not return any value. Run the program. Now you can see that the main function calls function1 which prints ICG India. I mean welcome to ICG India. Next, I'm going to create user-defined header file. Create a file named main.h, move header files and function declaration into this header file. Include this header file in the main program. Now you run the code and you will get the same output. Finally, the structure of the C program contains two files, main.c, main.h. The main function and user-defined functions are written inside main.c, while all the header files and function declaration are written inside main.h.